Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, April the 1st. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you might have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. This room is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. The room is open Monday to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. Well, guys, the market is just getting trashed right now. It's been a little bit choppy. If you take a look at the SPY, we were down. I think this is pre-market right there, and I think that represented being down about 600 on the Dow. We did have a little rally, and it looked like, okay, maybe we'll have a nice little rally, and then all of a sudden, all this happened. So as we speak, we're down about 850. So again, we're getting these wild intraday swings of several hundred points. So obviously, completely not out of the woods yet. So all I really want to show you today is this IMU trade, IMMU. As a demonstration about the AI. We get the question all the time, how do you use the AI? How do you use Holly? What's the success rate? What's this and that, okay? So how do I answer that? It's difficult sometimes because here was the alert. The alert was, this was a short alert, 1025. There was the stop at 1093, okay? So this was a short alert at 1025. So look what it did. It got tremendous. I mean, right on that opening candle, down, all the way down to 944 before it started to recover. So some people, as I always suggest that people do, use it as a watch list, okay? Maybe if you're bound and determined that you want to auto trade the AI, okay, you can auto trade the entries, but I would be managing the exits on your own because the AI got out of that trade. If you just waited for the AI to get out of the trade at 10:02, okay? So yes, a little bit of profit. So the AI got out of the trade right here. I mean, this is something called a profit save. But I just have to think that if you're watching this, you can't allow a stock to go from 944 all the way back up to 10:02 before you get out. But that's what the AI did, okay? That's what, this is an automated trading sequence. So this is what the AI did. I'm suggesting that, you get something like that, and then it starts to move up. You've got to take some out. You have to take some out. And then I'd be taking out, on that candle right there, I'd be taking out a lot more. You can always get back in and reshort it, all right? Especially if it hangs underneath 10 again. And fortunately, in the room, I was saying, hey guys, this could be an interesting long right over 10. And I kind of forgot about it. And look at this. I mean, it got all the way from 10 up to 1150. I just can't concentrate enough, because I'm doing a lot of different things in the trading room and answering emails outside the trading room. But, that's no excuse, but that is my excuse. But I hope a lot of people, I think, in the room picked this up just when it hit over 10. But it's choppy now. I mean, up and down, up and down. But really, my point is this, is that if you're going to trade the AI, I firmly believe you should be managing and watching how to get out of the trades rather than automating those exits because, that's why it's a very difficult question to say, well, how's the AI doing? Well, how's it doing for you is completely different from how it is doing for somebody else who's really watching. So anyway, that's about it for me. My watch list, actually, it wasn't terrible. Let's take a look at X. The alert was at 658. I mean, actually, it was a great alert. 718 it got up to. 774, what did that get up to? Yeah, I'm just going to take a look at it. But choppy, very choppy. I mean, 774, it got up to 802. The Kala was awesome. 889, got up to 966. So actually, it's pretty good. I think the Yelp didn't do anything. 863. Yeah, it moved up a little bit. This was not good. 1921. Yeah, it stopped immediately. This was a tough one because I mean, SGBX 974. Yes, it got up to. Well, it didn't really move after that. This of course, this was one that my watch list took yesterday. And look at the run it had at the end of the day, and even in the after hours, it was incredible. They came out with a financing announcement pre-market. Not much though. I mean, only 400,000 shares at what was it, $4.25. So they didn't raise that much money. And so, but you know, it got slammed down huge, and then it recovered, and not quite up to the high. Now this is after hours, okay? That's that mauve area right there. That's after hours. So there's kind of the high of yesterday. Almost basically got up to the high of yesterday, and then just stalled. And the SFET, again, this was a. I mean, yeah, after the alert. Yeah, man, it got up to 425. So I mean, really, overall, my watch list did very well. But you have to watch it. That's why it's called a watch list. All right, you just can't. I mean, I joke around in the room a little bit, saying you can't get into trades in this market, in these market conditions, and then go out and walk the dog and expect that everything's going to be rosy when you come back. I mean, yeah, these are more speculative ones. From my watch list today, anyway, they're a little more speculative. But even the so-called solid, is there such a thing as a solid stock anymore? Look at Macy's. I mean, Macy's slide was way before the virus, but now I've got the news that it's being booted from the S&P 500. I mean, is Macy's going to be? I mean, how is Macy's going to survive? And there's J.C. Penney down to 32 cents. I mean, Macy's, J.C. Penney, stalwarts in the past of retail shopping, and look at it. I mean, just absolutely devastated. Anyway, I do want to get back in the room, see if there's maybe any later trades I can get involved in. But just wanted to show you that IMMU trade. And again, the question, well, how is Holly doing? Well, how's it doing for you might be completely different from how it's doing for somebody else. That's about the best way I can say it. Okay, everybody, I'll just bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. The link for the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.